Hey, good morning, students. How was the weekend? I trust that you all had a good weekend, got some rest, and you're ready to absorb all the information from the great world of science. Today, I'll be introducing to you a few differences between the two major cell types. One is prokaryote, and two is eukaryote. There are two major cell types. Now, prokaryotes, or we can say prokaryotic cells, they are the simplest and the most ancient of the cells. They were there before the eukaryote. Um, they were the only forms of life for billions of years until they gave rise to the eukaryotic cells. There are major differences between the two. Prokaryotic cells are a lot smaller than eukaryotic cells. They have a simple structure. But you know what? That simpler structure is an advantage because it allows the prokaryote to reproduce quickly and more efficiently. And as we go on further into this term, you will realize that some of the prokaryotes, they don't need an opposite sex to reproduce. Very simple, and we'll discuss that in future lessons. But let's get back to the differences between the prokaryotes and eukaryotic cells. Let's say that because they are very simple, the prokaryotic cells are able to produce quickly and more efficiently. They are very simple in the sense that they lack a true nucleus. And in fact, the word pro means before, and we know that kari means nucleus. And the prokaryotes, they say it came before the eukaryotic cells. Now, inside the prokaryotic cells is just an open unit with no compartments. So if you happen to look inside a prokaryotic cell, as you can see right here, it's just an open unit with no compartments. Or that's one of the main differences between the two. There are no membrane-bound organelles. However, you have small structures in your prokaryotic cells called ribosomes, and they're scattered through the cytoplasm. The prokaryote DNA is located in a region of the cell called the nucleoid region. The nucleoid region is not the same as the nucleus. Why? Because it is not enclosed by a membrane. I'll say this again. The nucleoid region in the prokaryotic cell is not the same as the nucleus because the nucleoid is not enclosed by a membrane. Prokaryotes also have a cell wall that surrounds the plasma membrane, and the composition of the cell wall depends on whether the cell is a bacteria or an archaean. But what you must know about that is that they're composed of complex polysaccharides. Now, they are major different. They are alike in certain ways and the different in areas. I'm going to tell you how they alike. They both have DNA as their genetic material. That means that what is passed on from parent to offspring is the DNA, and they both have that. They both have ribosomes, and they both have cytoplasm and a cell membrane. Eukaryotes, they evolved from prokaryotes. They are larger and more complex. They contain a nucleus. They contain membrane-bound organelles, and they can be single or multicellular. And they have multiple linear chromosomes. On the other hand, the prokaryotes, they're the oldest cell type. They're small and simple. They lack a true nucleus. They lack organelles. And they're a single cell. And the chromosome is a single circular chromosome. I'll give you show you a picture again of the there is your eukaryotic cells, which is where humans will fall. We are eukaryotes. It's very complex. We have compartments. We have nucleus surrounded. We have cytoplasm here. We have different organelles. But over here, no membrane bound organelles, no compartments. And we can see here the nucleoid is just free floating there with no membrane bound organelles. And that's the main differences. Thank you very much. And we will be discussing this topic more on the later lessons. Thank you very much. Bye bye.